How to get new users on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up your Temu app, then click on this U option at the bottom. After that, click on the settings, and over here you need to open up country and region settings. After that, scroll down to the very end and change your place to United States, as some of the options might not be shown on other regions, so you need to change it to United States in order to get this option of earn credits and free gifts. Just click on it. After that, you have plenty of offers to choose from. Just select any of them. Suppose I select this one. So over here you get the payment directly into your PayPal account. For every user that you bring to Temu, you would be getting points and then you can spend. So how do we actually get the users? So for that, just click on refer friends. Then instead of sharing it directly on any of the social media or anywhere else, copy your code. Copy this code, and after that, just open up your notes. And after creating a new note, just paste your code over here. Now make it attractive so people are able to get into Temu using your code. So you can type like, just try to make it as attractive as possible. You can also make it bold in order to make it look different and unique. So it looks good now, and you can also add some theme to it if you want to, like this one or any other like this one. And after that, just simply take a screenshot of it and then share it up. And also make sure that while you share it up on any of your social media, add it in your caption so people are easily able to copy it. So this way you would be attracting new users to Temu, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.